Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty back with another video, and today I'm talking about the Make Me Online business and how's my business going, and how this past weekend I've been busy, working on it, and I didn't realize how much running online business, how much work it is. It's a lot of work. You know, people on the internet make it seem like it's so easy. It really ain't. You know, it's really time consuming, grueling, testing, finding, looking. It's a lot of stuff associated with making money online. I was doing keyword research. I was doing split testing my landing pages. I was working on my blog. I was doing edits to some of my videos. I was doing YouTube. I was doing my blog. I was doing just looking up information, how to do certain things, a lot of stuff. You know, I was doing some PPC campaigns. It was just, I didn't know how much. I knew it was time consuming, but this weekend really is time consuming, especially when you work full time and got a newborn at home. It's tough. It really is tough. You know, this weekend was really grueling. I got a lot of stuff done, but it was really grueling. And then you know, you spend a long time with the online stuff, and you still have to live your life. You still have to go out. You still got to buy grocery, pay bills. You still got to, you know, watch TV or whatever. So it's kind of like you kind of have to make time for it, which I do, you know. But don't let people think the online business is easy. It ain't. It is not. Especially when you have kids, a kid or kids, more than one. I have one now, so it's kind of like I got to spend time with him, spend time with my wife at the same time, do stuff around the house, cook and help her out, whatever she needs me to do. Then, you know, it's just time consuming. It really is. You work 40 hours a week, and you want to go to the gym, and you want to do all these things, but you got to run your business, and it's just tough. It really is tough. But it's worth it. You know, some things I have to cut out. Like my Xbox, I don't play it twice a week. I don't play it during the week. I play it Friday night and Saturday night. So those are 2 nights I can stay up, 2, 3, 4 in the morning if I want to. I'm off the next day during the week, and I gotta get up at 6. So, and he's up at 6. So, the Friday and Saturday is the only time I can play my Xbox, and I gotta cut that short. Which is crazy, but I gotta do what I gotta do to make it. So maybe I cut out Friday night. I cut our Friday night out, or play it less and work my business more. So it's hard, and people who want to start an online business, who work full time, who has kids or don't have kids, still time consuming. It really is. Especially first starting, it's not easy. Starting the blog or the YouTube channel, everything is slow. It takes a long time to see a little bit of results, but you have to keep on plugging along. You have to keep doing it. You have to do it every day. And every day I come home from work, I try to do something on my business. And the weekends, Saturday, I try to get up early as I can and knock out a lot of stuff, because everyone's asleep, or the baby sleep, or he's up and she sleep, so I can kind of work when he's up. But if he sleep, she'll be asleep, so I have maybe 3 to 4 hours, maybe 2 or 3 hours to work on my business while both of them sleep. But when they're both up, I'll be busy, so I have to take into account that. So I try to get up early and try to knock out my stuff out as soon as I can, because during the day I'm busy with him and her. And then at nighttime, it's time we eat and we relax, watch a little TV, and it's late. And then with him, you kind of have to sleep when he sleeps. So if he goes to bed around 12, he's going to get up at 3. And then at 3 o'clock is usually when I'm going to bed. So he may be staying up. So I might be up all night. So it's kind of like I have to plan my sleep around him and plan when I get up around him. So it's very difficult, but I keep plugging along. I keep trying. I keep doing the best I can. And this video is about doing your best. Make a to-do list, and try to do one or two things every day during the week. And on the weekends, try to do as much as you can early in the morning, before a lot of people get up. My best working, I guess, the best times I work the best is when everyone is asleep. She sleep, he sleep, family sleep in the house. That's my best time. I get stuff done because nobody's calling me. I don't gotta do this. I don't gotta do that. The whole day's done. All the stores closed. So early morning, late at night, it's my best time working. During the day, yes, maybe sometimes, but not really. But I get some stuff done. But my best times is during the day, late at night, and early morning. So this video is about if you want to start online business and you can't make time, you have to make some time. I say do one thing a day, and on the weekends try to get up early. Saturday I got up at like 6, and both of them was asleep, and I could have went to sleep. I said, well, let me knock all this stuff out as much as I can between 6, 7, 8, 9. They slept in a little bit. They probably got up around 11, 12 o'clock. So I got 5 hours to get done what I get done. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I still have half the whole day to do what I want. I took a 2-hour nap. I could have spent time with them during the day, and then at nighttime do a little more work. So this video is about just keep pushing. Do one thing at a time. Do one thing a day. Try to do the most you can during the weekends. And then sometimes, you know what I do? I look at the bigger picture because I don't want to be at the job all my life. I don't want to work with somebody else all my life. Take a day or so. Take a day. If the kids in daycare or not, take a day. Just take a day off. Work a half a day. I take a half a day. I get off at 12 o'clock. I have the whole day. So I take advantage of that. So I could work in my business till like 3 or 4 o'clock and still have the rest of the night to myself. So if you can't make time, you got kids and bills and stuff like that, take a day off. Take a day off from working and spend it on your business and get a lot of stuff done. Or take a half a day. I take half days on Fridays. So here's my philosophy. I took a half day on Friday. I got my list written for Saturday. So what I did was, why wait till Saturday and do it? Why get home Friday at 12:30? He's going to sleep sometime during the afternoon. Once he sleeps, I get him some work done. The more I get done on Friday, the less I could get done on Saturday. So that's what I done. I did most of my work Friday afternoon, late night. Then Saturday morning came. I didn't have a whole lot of stuff to do. I knocked all that stuff out, and I'm free for a day and a half. So I'm free. So take a day off. If you want to start an online business, this is what you truly want to do. You want to retire from your job. Your business is worth a day off for here and there. Take a day off. Take a half a day. Take a day off when nobody's coming to the house. Just take a day off. Take a day off. And then work. Get up early. Work. Work as hard as you can, as long as you can. So that's my message for the day. Online business is very hard. It's very time consuming. A lot of testing, pulling, and thinking, and ad copy. And just keep doing it. The more you do it, the better you be. Just keep doing it. So thanks for watching. Visit my blog, sking.com, and see you next time.